In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create charts using your data in Notion. We'll turn the information you already track into clear visuals that help you make decisions faster, all inside your existing pages. First, open the page that contains the information you want to visualize and make sure your data lives in a Notion database, such as a table, board, or list. Your database needs at least one number property for values you'll chart, like amount, hours, or count, and a way to group those values using a select, multi-select, or date property. If anything looks messy, take a moment to standardize category names and formats. That small cleanup pays off in better charts. Next, decide what you want to track. Maybe you want to see expenses by category, tasks completed per week, or income per month. Clarifying the metric upfront will help you pick the most effective chart type in a moment. On the page where you want the visualization, type/chart and select chart from the block menu. If you don't see this option in your workspace, connect a trusted chart integration such as Notion Charts or Chartbase and add the chart block through that tool. Now connect the database that holds your data. Choose the number property that represents the value you want to plot. Formulas, roll-ups, or simple numbers all work. Just be sure they're returning a numeric result and using consistent units. Pick the chart type that matches your story. Use a bar or column chart to compare categories, a line chart to show trends over time, and a pie chart to highlight proportions. When categories are numerous, bars are easier to read than pies. Group and filter the data to focus your view. Group by category, status, or date, and apply filters to narrow to specific entries or time ranges, like this week or last quarter. Customize the chart so it's clear at a glance. Add a descriptive title, refine labels and the legend, and set the date range or categories you want displayed. Choose colors and sorting that make differences obvious. Add the chart to a dashboard by resizing and positioning it alongside related databases or summaries. Placing it near the source data provides helpful context. From here, charts update automatically. Any changes you make in the database will reflect in the chart. No manual syncing required. Finally, review the chart for accuracy, then share the page with collaborators or duplicate it for future tracking, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.